Rohan Harmalkar was arrested in this case somewhere in first week of June. Land scam involving multiple properties, and the proceeds of crime has grown to almost 215 crores, almost 215 crores. Various methods have been used by the accused. There are 4 or 5 more accused. So they have impersonated, then they have filed fictitious and bogus inventory proceedings. In addition, they have forged power of attorneys, and they have duped a lot of people, amounting total, at least till date, we have managed to uh, unearth around 214 crores, and that's the prosecution complete that we have filed within a time stipulated of 60 days. So the complaint has already been filed, and soon it will come up for hearing. Properties have been attached, and that I think even confirmation proceedings are on. For an enforcement department to commence and to an inquiry into any of the proceeds of crime, the law requires that there has to be an FIR filed, which we call it as a predicate offense. That could be of cheating, forgery, whatever it is. Based on that, whatever money that has been unearthed or tainted money that has been generated, that is inquired into by enforcement department. That is subsequent to an ECIR that has been filed, which is of course based, as you say, based on an FIR which is filed by the state court.